Okay.
If I find my way home, yeah. Wouldn't it be crazy? Would you still amaze me? Wouldn't it be crazy? Would you still amaze me? Wouldn't it be crazy? Would you still amaze me? Wouldn't it be crazy? Would you still amaze me? If I find my way home, yeah.
Tutorial: Modifying the Physical Workspace. This tutorial explains how to modify the physical workspace. Switch to Physical Mode. Click the New City button to create a new city in the physical workspace. This is the newly created city. The city can be renamed by editing the text box. Click the New Building button to create a new building. To move the building to another location, click the Move Object button. Select the object to move. Then select the new location of the object. The building has been moved to My City. Click on My City to verify. This is the My City level. This is the building that was moved earlier. Move Object can also be activated by pressing Shift-M. Click the Grid button to open the Grid Preferences window. A grid can be applied to each level of the physical workspace. Select the levels on which to display the grid. Select the City checkbox. Click the Select Grid Color button to apply a custom color to the grid. This opens the Select Color window. Click the OK button to apply the color change. Click the OK button to apply the grid. A custom background image can also be applied to each level. Click the Set Background button. Images can be located on your disk by clicking on the Browse button. Scaling, which affects the wireless broadcast area, Ethernet cable length, and container volume for IoT calculations, can be set here. Select the desired background image. We are going to look in the City folder. And select the Cisco Campus JPEG by double-clicking. Click on the Apply button to make the change. Close the Select Background Image window. Click on the Back button to go to the upper level. The background image set earlier also exists as a thumbnail to the upper level. To remove a physical workspace object, select the Delete tool. Click on the object you want to delete. Objects contained within a level must be deleted individually. Text can also be placed on the physical workspace using the Notes tool. Click on the workspace and enter a note. This ends the Modifying the Physical Workspace tutorial.